at the Loram rail grinder here. The most important aspect of any railroad is the rail itself, and Norfolk Southern recognizes this. That in order to successfully run a railroad, it must keep up its system. It must maintain the system. This is where the Loram rail grinder comes into play. This is one beautiful machine to watch in action. Spitting fire smoke out the side. It roughs up the surface of the track to reshape it and to extend the rail life. One of the benefits is also fuel saving, reduced surface recycle, extends the life of the track itself, and also reduces wear on the rolling stock. Improves ride quality and passenger comfort. And so this thing is really necessary for the railroad. And also, when you hire a rail grinder, you also hire a fireman, because they got to have a fireman to ride behind it to put out the fires as the sparks, have a tendency to create little brush fires here. So this thing is really something to watch when it's in operation. Also, this thing doesn't travel very fast, so at about 10 to 15 miles an hour here, it's not really that hard to keep up with. Wow, look at that thing work. And here we have the Loram rail grinder here at Franklin Street in Chesapeake, Virginia, just west of the west end of Portlock. He'll be heading into Portlock. All right, thanks for the blow. You guys do a great job. If you notice right up in here, this part of the video, I start getting hit with debris coming out from underneath the rail grinder. Always good to wear a pair of safety glasses whenever you're watching one of these things. And here we see this lean machine grinding its way into Portlock, the Portlock Road. And this is Mark Ogletree speaking for Coleman Place. Hoping you guys have a great rail fanning day and keep it safe. And thanks for watching.